Hello, my class. How are you all? So, today I'm here with an interesting chapter. Are you all ready for that? Yes. So, today's chapter is monophthongs. So, can I start it? Yes. Okay. First of all, this one. This is a sign. And it's pronounced like I. I. We have another one. And it's pronounced like E. E. You notice there's a difference. This one is short. I. Short. And this one is long. E. E. So, for example, this I. I for sheep. Sheep. First. Sheep. Sheep. Not sheep. It's first because it's first. Sheep. Another we have sit. Sit. It's long. Sheep. Sit. Sheep. Sit. Long. We have another one. What is that? This looking like a ball, right? But it's not ball. It's a sign, and it's pronounced like U. U. We have another one. This one. And how is we are pronounced it? We pronounced it like ooh. Ooh. Short one. For example, ooh. Ooh for foot. Foot. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh for you. You. So we have another one. What is looking like? It's looking like E. It's not E. It's pronounced like E. E. We have another one. It's really difficult to write, but when you pronounce it more and more, it's gonna be easy to you. For example, this. E. E. E for bat. Bat. A for cat. We have another one. What is this? A? No, it's not A. It's a symbol of monophthongs, and it's pronounced like O. O. Follow my facial shape. My mouth is a little bit circle. O. O. And this one is this. And in this one, my face and my mouth is different. This one is O. My mouth is properly circled. O. O. For example, O. O for odd. Odd. O. O. O for door. Door. But how we pronounce open the door? But no, we have another one. This is how we pronounce it. We pronounced it like a. I have another one. This one is number 3, right? No, we are wrong. It's a number 3. Is a sign of monophthongs, and we pronounced it like short, long. For example, for her. But some people say her, but it's wrong. Why is there said it like long vowel, but it's wrong. It's not long. It's short. We have another one. This. This is bird. Bird. It is long. Bird. Okay. This is like this. We have another one. This one. Short, long. For example, for up, for car. So try again with me. Short, long. And for example, E for sheep. E for sit. U for foot. U for you. For her. For bird. This one. But both not are short or long. Both are short. But there's a little difference. Do you know what? In this one, your mouth is normal, like but this one, your mouth is open more, like Okay? Both are short. For example, for bat. In this one, there's a little bit long. Okay? And this one is cat. Okay? Another one. O for on. O for door. For up. For car. But how we understood which one is short and which one is long? By notice this symbol. You notice there is a single symbol. But when here is like this kind of symbol, its symbol meaning is long. So like that we can understand which one is short and which one is long. So I have no more to add here. This is your homework. You have to must be learn it in your home.